this is Keeper coming at you my Lego mop. So we're gonna show you how to crash this thing. It's cool. You can make this as a different chassis. I use this from the tank. So it has gas in, license plate, brakes, and big wheels. So got put this on, this 1x6. Come on, so are you guys ready? Ready? Point in the garage. Go. Oh shh. Look. There's a freaking bug. So what happened here? Oh my gosh. The piece come off. So I was gonna do that. So the piece got come off. Oh yeah. So fix this and put this. Yeah. And then the one. That's not so good. Ready. That's not quite. Didn't destroy stuff, so wait. Holy shoot. Look what happens. Piece on my side. 1x4. So what happened? It's the piece come off. So I want to see it. The piece come off. So you can easily fix it. Dropped it. So yeah. So that's the crash. So please comment and subscribe for more. I see you guys later. Capiche?